Hi guys, this is Mrs. Sastetta. I'm going to show you how to plot some points on your graph using your data table. So first thing, what do I need to do? The first thing that you're going to need to do on slide 3 is label your X and Y axis. So you're going to label your Y axis on the graph, and that's the vertical axis going up and down. You're going to label that speed. Then you need to label your X axis on the graph, the one going left to right, horizontal, as time. So make sure you go here, you type here, and you're going to label speed, and you go down here to your X and label it time. And then our graph will be ready to be plotting. So you need to examine your data table and locate the speed column, and examine the data table and locate your time column so that you can use your data table to plot points on the graph. So our data table is on slide 4. So you need to locate the time and the speed. So you see time here in minutes, speed in kilometers per minute. You do not need to plot anything on the distance. You only need to plot your time and speed. So I'm going to show you how to plot. So if you start with 0, 0, 0, you don't need to plot anything because that's 0. So let's go with 1 is our time, and our speed would be 7. So we're going to go over here and we're going to start with our time. And time is always going to be on the X. So time, speed. So we're going to start with our time, which is 1. So you're going to put your cursor on 1. And then we need to travel up to our speed, which was 7. So here at 1. And so this is 0. So going up, these are going in increments of 1.5. So this would be 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5. But we only need to go to 7, so it's going to be just a tiny drop below. So this is where we need to be, 1 and 7. So we need to mark our plot our point. So we're going to put a shape. We're going to get ourselves a little circle. And we're going to travel up again. So we're at 1 and we're going to 7, right? So that's 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5 is too much, a little bit below the 7.5. And then you can make your circle. And you can move it around if you need to. And now we have our point. And I think it'd be best if we add color to our circles so we can fill it in. Whatever color you'd like. I'm going to do pink. So that's my point. And now you're going to do it again. Go back to your data table. And our next point to plot, we look at our time is 2 and our speed is 9. So we're going to go back now. You can get your shape ready. So at 2 for our time, but then we need to go up to 9 for our speed. So we're at 2 for time, and then you're going to go all the way up until you get to 9. 9 falls directly on the line, and then you can go ahead and make your circle. I'm going to fill it in again with a color. And you might need to be patient and move it around a little bit till it falls where you need it to be. There we go. And so you're going to use your data table to plot all these points. I know it's a lot, but be patient. We're going to do 5 at a time, and then I'll check back in with you.